In this video, I will show you how to install and uninstall these inside mount and these outside mount blinds. So these are the brackets that I'll be using. This method is the easiest, I think, the easiest way to install the blinds. And basically, you install these brackets on the upper corners of your window frame. And so they'll be like this, and these tabs lift up like this. And so basically you would be sliding your blinds in, like sliding them in, and then you just press these tabs down to hold it in place. I'll be installing this bracket in this corner. And these holes are for screws, so basically you can install the screws on the sides, which is the method I prefer if you're gonna install the brackets inside the frame. You can screw them to the top, or if you're gonna be installing these outside of the frame, you can screw them to the back. I'll be installing this bracket in the upper left-hand corner, and so I'm going to be putting the screws right here, Here are the brackets that I screwed to the inner corners of the window frame. You can see that the tabs have been snapped into place, and you would just unsnap and pull up on the tabs to be able to pull out and uninstall the blinds. And they are working great. Now I'll be hanging aluminum mini blinds using these brackets, which are very similar to the ones that I had used to hang the wood blinds. They'll be installed like this, and the blinds will go in this way, and then these tabs will clip the brackets closed and hold the blinds in place. I'll be attaching these brackets by screwing them to the wall through the holes in the back, because I will be installing these outside of the window frame. The reason why I'm going to hang them outside for this particular blinds is because they are bigger than the opening of this window frame. And these clips are just from previous blinds that hung there. So here are the brackets. Once the blinds are inside this bracket, you can close this tab. I have to fix the strings, so I'll show you how to take the blinds out. Basically, I just open this up. Okay, now